Hello everybody, yes, and welcome back to a video on the TwinPlayz channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a slap tower game. Now, this tutorial was actually brought to you by another YouTuber and another developer. So I'm going to showcase this and how to get to it and how to get the model and everything. I know a lot of people are watching the series, The Steel Brain Rot. Don't worry, more tutorials are coming out. I've been just kind of renovating the new kit and everything because I just want to redo it. As well as, filming some other videos and things that I have planned. But thank you guys for all your patience. Of course, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. It means so much to me, everybody. But yeah, we're going to hop right into this. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Now, if you are new to Roblox Studio as well, welcome. To make a game, it is very simple, okay? You're going to go to robloxstudio.com/curate. You should be able to load in and download the client or whatever and, the program. Once you make it, there's the templates and everything in Studio, but first things first, we're just going to click New Experience. So clicking New Experience, this is kind of a bigger tutorial, a little bit more in depth, but yeah, so when you make your game, you're going to kind of get something like this. If you don't have these open, go to the View tab, make sure you have Explorer and Properties open. You can also click everything else like that mine are. These are some of the things that I have open for now. But yeah, so you're going to go to game settings, click save to Roblox, and we're going to call it, I'll just call it Slap Tower Kit, but you can call it whatever you want. New Slap Tower game, blah, blah, blah. And then you can turn Team Create off because unless you want to share and do it. And then you can put it under you or under a group, up to you. And I'm just going to click save. Okay, so once we click save, one more thing to do as well, just in case, is go to game settings, go to security, and turn on allow HTTP request and enable Studio access to API services. This is for data stores preferably, but yeah, so you should be everything good here, and we're going to click save. Okay, so with this, now as you can tell in my toolbox, so if you go to Home tab and Toolbox, I actually have the kit right here. So Jake Dev is the one who made this, so amazing work. I just decided to showcase it because I love to do videos on other people making things because it's honestly pretty cool to bring it to you and explain it in my own terms, I guess you could say. But he's a great, tutorial YouTuber, so go check out his YouTube channel. But yeah, so he has a tutorial kit right here for you. So we're actually, we can actually click this, and inside here there is the model. So just go get the model. It's going to be right here. You can download it or open in Studio, whatever's easier. If you claim it right here, this will be in the description, by the way, you guys. If you do get this, then you should be able to have it in your toolbox. So yeah, after we do that, we're going to import this. Now, I actually haven't really watched this full video, but of course, I'm guessing he did it a certain way. So talks about we got certain things made, backpack system, so Satchel, that's very nice. It's good he did that. He uses profile service, which is awesome. I'm guessing profile service or profile store, one or the other. And then, yeah, game settings, go to avatar tab, avatar, and then click and set to R6. Okay, so it has to be R6 actually. So go to avatar, on an avatar in the ribbon. Oh, they moved it. That's great. I love when they do that. Why would they do that? Okay, so actually, speaking of that, let's see real quick. So, curation, slap tower kit. Okay, so you actually have to go to create.roblox.com, just your little tab page. And you go to, I don't know where it said there's an avatar ribbon. So I'm guessing it's somewhere in here. Maybe places. Let's go in here. No, what is the avatar ribbon? That's weird. I've never seen the avatar settings under the new feature. Avatar ribbon. Okay, we'll come back to that. We'll come back to that. It shouldn't mess up too anything right now. Put each model in a corresponding path. Re-upload the keyframe animation called re-upload this. Paste that animation into Swing. Perfect. Re-upload your stuff. And such as game passes and group ID. And yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and it looks like he's doing updates, which is pretty nice. Okay. So you cannot resell or sell or monetize this. You cannot re-upload or turn it on without permission. Blah, blah, blah. Credits. Okay, so we're going to delete this. Okay. So you can delete these. Now, when you have Explorer over here, so you should have these services, guys. Now, if you don't have some of these services, I actually forgot how to do this, but I think it's View if I'm right. Or, yeah, it should be View or Model. I forgot which tab it is. Oh, Service. Yeah, right here. And you can insert service right here. So if you need it. But yeah. So, oh, they have the new services I forgot about. I'm actually going to just insert these for fun because why not, VR service. Oh, I don't need. Just voice service chat's good. Okay. So replicated verse. So I'm going to drag this into replicated verse. I'm going to drag this into replicated storage. Server script service, server storage, starter GUI, starter. Wow, that's pretty nice. Starter player scripts. And then we have in workspace. Okay. So that actually looks really good. Wow. Okay. I'm pretty shocked. All right. So we're going to control. So I'm going to hold control on my keyboard, or if you do this on mobile, you can do that too. I'm going to hold control, and that allows me to select them the way I want. And now I can do control U, or I can right click and hit ungroup. So I'm going to right click and ungroup, and we should be good to do that. So delete the old spawn location. But yeah, so this looks pretty nice. You got the main thing going right here. So I'll go like this, and then the rest of the style, you just drag on the floor so it actually hits the floor. Okay. So we'll talk about this. Game song, skins, tower, test rig. So test rig, this is the rig, I'm guessing, with the animations, maybe. Maybe. I think he was saying that. Let's see. Okay, well, animation, swing, re-upload this. Okay, right here. So if you go onto here, you go to the avatar tab, you go to animation editor. So I'll drag my animation editor right here so you can see this. So we're going to do this real quick, just going into it so we don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to hit load. So I think you put, I forgot how you do this. Oh, I think you can just upload it, if I'm right. I think you can. Save to Roblox. Let's see. Let's see, animation. I forgot how that works. I don't think you're allowed to. I think it's a, let's just double check. Asset animation. Is this a model or a asset? Okay, so let me just double check real quick. But I'm pretty sure you can actually, like, if I'm right, you just put this in here. And then, no, how did you do this? Anime saves, right there. There we go. So you put that in anime saves like that. And then you hit load, re-upload this. Okay, there we go. And then we go swing. I think this was a swing, by the way. Yeah, so then I can just go here. I can hit, and then animation priorities, action, make sure. And I'll just click publish to Roblox. So sorry. So you just got to drag that into anime saves. If I'm right, publish to Roblox. And then we'll call this swing animation R6. Me. Make sure if it is under your group, like your game is under your group, you have to upload it to your group, okay? So don't forget that, because it won't work in game if you don't do that. Okay, so I'm going to close this out, and then the rest of this I'm good to just delete the test rig if I'm right. Now, animation ID, you grab this right here, and just this ID right here, and we're going to put this into swing, okay? So I'll put that into here like that. Okay. So preload, it looks like he has, oh yeah, so slap sounds, game sounds, slap animation. Oh, and we have to put it in here as well. So put that ID into the slap animation. So you can put it in here, and then you also have to put it in here. And then image IDs, I don't know what that's about, but then we have sound IDs and game song. Okay, so game song and slap sound. Slap sound, I don't think you need to change, but I'm pretty sure you might need to. Just go to audio right here. I'm pretty sure his is a public one, but if you search up slap, you can normally just get like a slap sound. So like, that's a good slap sound. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to copy this ID. Okay, so just imported. Go to the property settings, copy this ID. Inside of here, I'm just going to put that ID in. So yeah, it's the same one. Okay, perfect. And then game sound, I don't know what song this is. Oh, and if you want to even test this stuff, I always forgot to tell you guys. Oh, it's right here. So it has the game song. So you can just play that. And like I said, you can change it how you want. But I'll probably make an update maybe later if you guys want on making music systems, because I want to work on that for the Seal Brain Rock kit. But okay, so preload looks like it's good. Configuration, which we'll talk about. Game passes and group ID. Okay, so yeah, actually, you know what? Let's do that again. We're going to delete this. Okay, so this is what it should look like. So 3 more things to configure. Okay, so group ID. If you don't have a group, that is okay. It's set to 0 right now. But if you do have a group, which you should be able to go to your community tab. Okay, so whatever you have, and just copy that group ID. Okay, so I'm going to copy my group ID, blah, 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 and I'm going to put it right here, just in the ID. Now there's Godly Glove and Rainbow Glove, it looks like. So, which is pretty cool. So I love how they made the gloves. Well done. But yeah, so there's Godly Glove and Rainbow Glove. So this is a Game Pass. Now, in order to make Game Passes, it's the same thing. So I think I'll just show you guys again this way. So you hit create on the create tab. You go to your store. I have my slap tower kit. Also, don't forget, you guys do have to do your, sorry, let me just put this right here for you guys. You do have to do your maturity and compliance, because Roblox is now making it so if you don't have that, you won't get your questionnaire. So actually, I'll just do it with you guys. So just click these, make sure these are all set to no. If you're on Studio Lite, I think doesn't matter because it's inside of Studio Light game. But yeah, just click no for all of this since this game is not specifically a a game that's violent or a social hangout or any of that. So just click no and you should be good. But always read through this if you are making a different type of game because it's more for social hangouts, for violence games, and everything like that. Okay, so we should be good. You'll be good. Okay, now going into here, I just want to check one more time. I think it's settings. I don't even know where they put this stuff. Like, I don't freaking know. So there's secrets and everything. You got the overview, blah, blah, blah. And somewhere they put the avatar tab. I don't, let me see real quick. Oh, I'm being stupid. So they just moved it into the avatar, in avatar settings. So that's all you need to do. And then I will okay, I'll just put this right here for a second. I forgot about this. Okay, no, it's not actually, that's not bad at all actually. So you can just go into the here and it's actually, okay, this is cool. They added some new things. I forgot. So just go here and set it to standard R6 and click save changes. Yeah, so then click save and then you're good to close this out. And this is output. I don't know why that's down there. Okay. So, what were we doing? Oh, we were doing game passes. So going back to game passes, I have my thing. We're going to go to, monetization passes, okay? There's regional pricing. You don't have to enable it. You can. But we're going to create a pass, and we'll just call it, Rainbow Glove. Just like that. Hit create. And then I'm going to make another one, and we'll say Godly Glove, and we'll hit create. Now, to make these on sale, you would go into here. You'd go to sales, and then you just set it to, 100 Robux, let's say. And enable's fine. I honestly don't think it's bad to turn it off. I recommend it. But grab this asset ID right here and hit copy, okay? So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that into Godly Glove, just right here. And once you do that, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to this, passes, Rainbow Glove, go back to sales, do 100 again or something, and then you can just copy asset ID. Okay, so I'm going to close it out because now we're done with that. We got the Game Pass IDs. So these are the Game Pass IDs, so everything should be good in here. Now, once you're good with that, you can close those out. It looks like we're pretty good. This seems to be a group access part, so it looks like, I guess maybe these might be if you want certain things, you go inside of the game, which is kind of cool. I don't know how this works. He has a kill part, he has a damage part, a cylinder, blocks, asset, wedges. Okay, so these are just jump pads and stuff. These are the game passes, and then we have finish, which is +1 win. Okay, so yeah, so let's see, require, weird. Okay, gloves manager. So it looks like there's certain slaps in here. So the slap tools, which we'll talk about, they're probably in here. Yeah. So grabbing a certain thing, there's admin, changes with your username ID. Okay, so if you go into gloves manager and you want to do admin, we'll go to TwinPlayz dev. That is my username, or you can do your friend. So that works. Now, if you want to add more people, you just do this, and you can type, name here, whatever, blah, 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 equals true. And then that's good. If you want to add more, do another comment. Okay. And then you just kind of go name here too, whatever. You know what I mean? Equals false or whatever. It's fine. So yeah, so that's how you do that. Okay. Looks like these are the player added. So setup stand, free cash. Okay. Let's see. Rainbow ID, Godly ID. Okay. So I think right here, cash wins. Okay. So I'm going to go through here real quick. It looks like right here he has setup stands. If it's cash, it's wins, and game passes, it checks for certain things. So if you want to make more slaps, you would have to do this setup stand function. So it looks like right here he uses normal slap as a free one. So these are all the paid ones, whatever. So if you wanted to make another one, which we could actually probably do right now if we wanted to. So I'll just separate these. It's a little weird how you set this up actually, but either way. So if you want to, force field slap, force stand, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. We have skins, and these are the stands, okay? So I'm going to just drag these over real quick just because I don't want to. I'm holding shift, by the way, when I'm doing this to select all of them. But okay, so, I want to make another glove. Okay, I'm going to go right here, go like this, and I'm going to call it, whatever. Let's go ice stand. We'll make an ice stand thing with Chigger. Okay, so we'll go ice stand. We'll go in here. We have a highlight. I'll go blue because, why not? Go in base. So these are the bases. We don't worry about that. We have the actual part itself. So I'll make that blue. And then we have a stick. So mesh, we're good. The part. And right here, we can actually go and make this blue. And then it's cracked lava. I think there was an ice thing. I don't remember. Glacier, right? Yeah, that works. And then proc stats. We can go and change that in a second here. Let's just double check. It doesn't say. Yeah, so it says lava glove. So in this part, same thing again. I kind of don't like how I was doing that. Hold on, sorry. It goes here. We'll go ice glove. So this is a proximity prompt. Sorry, guys. I'm like kind of going to this a little crazier. We have the price. So this goes into here. And right now it's at like 10 wins plus 5 wins. Okay, so actually what we're going to do, I'm going to go like this. So if we were to do it in order, of course, let's follow the order. Just so we don't get mixed up. So I'm actually going to make this, let's say 20 wins. Okay, so if you want to do 20 wins, we'll go into the price stand and we will go and say, okay, this says 10 wins. We'll go 20 wins. And then stats, we can go down here and, oh yeah, wait, this is a text level, right? Oh, that's kind of cool. It has it. Okay, we'll go like, this gives you like, let's just say 100. And then we'll go like 10 seconds. Okay, just like that. So these are the stats on this. Okay, and then one more thing. I don't know why that fire is. Oh, that's why. I was doing the right color. Okay. Oh, I don't like that. Let's go like white. Let's go white. That's why I was doing that. Oh, that's why I was doing that. Okay, we'll go blue. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we have the ice one. Okay, so ice glove. All right. So, oh, that one's cool too. Okay, so we have the ice stand. This is good. Now, back into here. So, technically, we actually did this right here. So this is the cache, by the way. That's kind of how I was separating it, but these are in order. So I would go set up stand, just like this, and I'd go ice stand, and let's see how he sets this up. Oh, yeah, and then I'd go ice slap, which we're going to make, because we need to make it. Then we're going to go wins, and we're going to set it to 20. Okay, so you need 20 wins in order to get this, and then we have the ice slap. Now, back here, you're going to have to go down here, and you're going to go ice slap, okay? So just go ice slap, add a comma, and we should be good. Now, once we do that, so this part of the function is good. We don't need to worry about it. A few things, though. So ice stand, we should be good. Let's see. So we have plugins, we have data, and then we have gloves. Okay, so with the gloves, again, grabbing this, I'm going to hit Command C, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. This is a lava slap. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to call it ice slap. Now, to edit this, it looks like we have a server. Oh, okay. Cooldown power. Oh, yeah, the power. So I want to put that as 100. Cooldown is 10 seconds. I think that's what this was saying, right? This was 6 seconds. So, yeah, now it's 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, so we do that. We should be good. Friendly fire, hit able. So change this. You want to slap to deal damage. Okay, so you can do damage on some of them. Friendly fire, hit wind up, window. Okay. So I'm guessing there's certain things with this. Okay, and then this just does not too much. This is the amount of cash you want to give the player when someone slaps someone. So it has a add cash ability. Okay, that's pretty cool. So if I want to give more cash when they slap someone, I'll go like 20. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That should also kind of be another variable though, so we don't have to go all the way down in the script though. So whatever, either way, you kind of get the point now. And then the client side, looks like we don't need to worry about anything, so we should be good. Handle. There is a boom and smack. Oh, wait, these are the same things. Okay, so no worries. Okay, the fire, though, we're going to change again because we were customizing this. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to do fire. And then the mesh part was that. No, it wasn't. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this. So I'm going to go like blue, and then I'm going to change this to glacier. Just the way we had it, and we have our ice skin, ice slap. Okay, now just double checking everything. I think that's good. Put this back into gloves, so should be good there. Okay. So, I'm going to hit play real quick. Let's just see what happens. Sometimes you might get an error, sometimes you won't. So, we are in R6. I do have an admin slap. Oh, I do have some audio going right now. I do not want that to copyright me. Okay, so admin slap. We have it. Preloading, finished, API, all that stuff. That's good. He puts that in. This is a pretty cool slap. Looks like it doesn't click. So maybe there's something wrong with that, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the basic one. Oh, I love I forgot about this. He has a certain like proximity service, or it's like custom. I really, really like that. Okay, so I think I can actually just equip this. Yeah, so now I have my normal slap, and he has a thing like this. Okay, So yeah, we have the normal slap now. I don't even know what this is. Like, I think this is just like a... Oh, this is a TP part. Okay. And then this is a finish. So I just finished. Every time I finish, it does that. And then, yeah. Okay, I think that's right. I don't know how if I wanted to test this so I can make sure that we do the thing, I'll show you. But let's just double check some things real quick and go over a few more things. Okay, so there's some tweens and stuff. So hover, shrink. Okay, that's pretty cool. Stroke scaler. I don't even know about that. That's kind of different. Okay, so we have the main buttons. So we have the gloves over here. So if you want to change this, feel free to. You can go inside here and change the text labels. You can change the design. There's plenty of things you can do. And then, yeah, buy and own check. Okay, a little different. And then rainbow and then stats, things going like that. Okay. So, yeah, all of this is customizable. When it comes to UI, it might be a little different at first, but make sure you know that you can customize it how you like. So don't be afraid to. But, like, yeah, if I wanted to go down here and, like, whatever. If I wanted to put this, like I said, you know, actually probably don't do the way I just did that, actually. Oh, ice slap. Nope. Let's put that in server storage. Okay. So we're good right here. But yeah, if you want to customize this, feel free to. You can change the positions and everything. That's what I was trying to do. But yeah, so like I would probably go like, I don't know, probably like, honestly, I would go in the bottom, but I'll keep it where it was at first. So yeah, you have your wins, you have your strokes, all that kind of stuff. Group checker looks like, and hides the group access folder, hides the part in the group access. Oh, okay. So this actually disappeared because we were in the group. So that's nice to know. I don't know if they're all the parts. I think they are if we were to check. Let's see. Parks, group access. I think it loops through. So I think you can actually just duplicate this. We'll actually just double check, but I'll make 2 just for fun. And if I hit play, it should work. But yeah, so it looks like we have like a TP part. So I'm guessing when it comes to like TPing and stuff, there's a finish. So this is the finish tab. So this belongs at the end of your game, of course. So feel free to do that. And I don't know if there's a certain value that gives you certain things. So yeah, SFX, cooldown, touch cooldown. Okay, that makes sense. And that should be good. Yeah. No, this looks right. I haven't really honestly played the tower games a lot, so that's why sometimes I get a little confused. Okay, yeah, so they both disappeared. So it looks like if you'd want to, like, you know, do multiple TP parts or, like, multiple areas, you can. You probably also can even do multiple finish parts, if I'm going to be honest. You probably can. But yeah, so going through here, we have the slaps and gloves. Now, to really check this, and so it's nice it's working, as you can see. To really check, and I think cash, by the way, you get from hitting players. So that's what it's saying. But to also really check that we're hitting someone, and I'm just gonna double check this real quick. So once you edit your game, guys, just make sure you save it to Roblox. Okay, so I'm gonna click save to Roblox. But you can click and go test, and you can go test 2 players. Okay, so once we do 2 players testing, it should be good to. Gosh, this freaking audio. I'm gonna just mute this so I don't get copyrighted. I might already get copyright from that, but okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Why did I not even notice that? It has like a little effect. Okay, so it actually gives me the normal slap on default, which is nice. And as you can tell, these group doors don't work. Like, I mean, they don't let you through. So, yeah. Okay, so it just sat me. I didn't even know that. That's weird. Let's see. So there is a cooldown, it looks like. And it does give you the cash, which is nice. It's just not playing the animation, which I wonder why. Maybe I didn't do that right with the animation side of things. Okay, so yeah, so either way, let's see. Server store, replicate storage, animations, configurations. We have our swing, and then we did that. It was preload, right? Yeah, slap animation. That's a little weird. Okay, either way, it probably works in-game versus this one. But yeah, so you should be able to publish it. But that is about it, you guys. So as you can tell, like I said, we made this already. So making more gloves is pretty simple. You just need to make a skin stand, okay, just like this. And then you have to go into your server scripting gloves manager and just go through here, okay? And then make sure you set up the stands right here through this. It's a little, it could be a little better. Like you could do tables and do this a certain way better than just going and running through each function just like this. It's okay. In the meantime, though, it is a very well done kit. So thank you, Jake, very much for this tutorial and everything like that. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did and learned something, thank you. Now, guys, one more thing, too, of course, like when it comes to just like building, you can build outside of your game. I think the best practice is like, okay, so you have, these are the assets, of course. So in here, like I would probably just call a folder and call map or something, and then go about building your game, you know? I don't know if you need to keep kill part in the thing. I don't think you do, but like either way, you can just build out your game, build it the way you need to. Honestly, another thing to do is go in models, and if you search up slap tower, I'm positive there's something. So yeah, right here, there's a slap tower map. So if I were to just like import the slap tower map, just make sure, oh my God, that's a lot of scripts. Okay, so cancel that. I mean, these probably all have scripts. Okay, well, let's just see this one. Let's see this one. Where did it go? Okay, is there anything inside of it? All right, what is with these? Okay, wait. This one's the best one. This is definitely the best one. It just has a lot of scripts. Okay, so like if you want just this build, of course, you can use this build, and then you can just delete everything inside of it. So go about, oh gosh, that's not what I wanted. I'm gonna report it one more time, guys. Sorry. So we have the map. Just make sure you delete a lot of stuff. Okay, so whether there's a script, whether there's anything inside of it, just delete. You know, that is all unnecessary, and make sure there's only the parts, because you know these are nice for just like building and stuff. And then yeah, you should be good. And then when it comes to building kill parts and damage parts, make sure they inside this asset folder, because I think that's, you know, just required. But yeah, so this is pretty cool how they do it. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial once again, and I will see you guys in the next video, whether that's brain rot or, you know, something else. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.